Good morning to all of you. Today we are discussing about our solar plants, our solar systems. In our solar system, last time we discussing about that the uh, planets. We have, very well, we have 8 planet. Recently, data said that. But in earlier it was that was 9. So we are discussing about that. First of all, here is sun, and second is Mercury, third is Venus and Earth and Mars, Jupiter, Saturn, Uranus, Neptune's, and last one is Pluto. In 2014, it is neglected. It was neglected, Pluto, by space organizations, because it is not a fulfill their requirement for the planets, and these all are our solar planets. In solar planets, only these particular planets, not all the type of, we can say that the comets, uh, asteroids, and all the things also included in solar systems. But we are discussing about these planets. In recently, we can say that the 2003 in 2003, UB 313 has also been recently. We have the 9 planets. UB is called, it's also the planets, UB 313. If we discussing about the solar system, the nebula of which our solar system is supposed to have been formed started it collapse and core formation sometime 5.5 5.6 billion year ago. These all are planets are in the starting forms is like a dust particles, and slowly it is being a planets, and the dust particles all uh, change into the solid forms, and today we can say these all are the planets. And these, if we are discussing about that, these 4 planets are inner 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 planets, and these 4 are also, if we discussing about that, outer planet. And in the Mars and the Jupiter, there also the one planet also, but due to some reason it was blasted uh, by the comet, very big comets, and due to their particulars, their asteroid, that planet is in the form of asteroid, also, and their orbit, it was playing on their track. They all are asteroids, and we can say this is the asteroid planets. And Jupiter, we can say these are the Jupiter. The rest of five are called the jovial. These all are also said that jovial, jovial or gas gas planets. And other than the most of these all are their composition of their helium and hydrogen. These two components which on the behalf of their they are set up far from the earth, helium and the hydrogen. And in the near planets, we can say the inner planets, in the part they have solid formation, uh, but in these Jupiter two planets, in there have a helium and hydrogen gas also, and on the behalf of they are far from the sun. And we are after that they are the different between the terrestrial and jovial. Terrestrial and the jovial planets can be contribute of the following conditions. These some condition also applied and on that what was what is the terrestrial planets were formed in the close vicinity of parent star, which is was too warm for a gas to condense to solid particles. Jovial planets, these are the jovial planets, and were formed to equate a distance locations. These are the some distance location. The solar wind was mostly the intensity near the sun, so the below of the lot of the gases and the dust form are the terrestrial planets. The solar winds were not all the intense to causes similar removal of the gases for the jovial planets. The terrestrial planets are similar, and the lower gravity could not hold the escaping gases. Mainly think that these are the in the form of solid, and these are the form of in the gases most of the. And if we discussing about the earth, earth have also their subplanets, we can say, is called the moon planets and subplanets. It was earth, it is moon, it is earth and it is moon, and it is also revolving the earth. If we discussing about the moon, moon is only the natural satellites of the earth, like the origin of the earth. There have been attempt to explain how to moon was formed. In 1838, in 1838, the person Sir George Darwin, suggested that the initially the earth and the moon formed are single rapidly rotated bodies. The whole Mars become a double ball shaped body, and eventually it broke and suggested that the material from the moon was separate from which we have to present the dispersion occupied by the Pacific Oceans. We can say that the if we say that the how the moon's origin, the moon main origin that the it is the part of the earth, and the some asteroid are also crossing also we can say touch on the earth, and it was blast. Then the some part of earth is when the part of blast and some part are going to in the sky, and today we have to that particular is called the subplanet is called moon. It was the origin of the moon. That was the we can say the development of the moon, and time to time it was in a rotation forms and become a track, and then rotated earth in a track, and it the time of the moon is the 28 days of one rotations, we can say. And it was when the large asteroid, and that was called the Gained impact, we can say the big splat. Big splat. And in the we can say the earth in the starting time, it has some rocks and gaseous forms, and in the gaseous form helium and hydrogen, and time to time it was in the solid forms, and solid form, and then solid form in change into a condensation process. And the condensation process due to the some big holes, we can say today that was the sea, we can say the three large sea, that was Atlantic, Pacific, and the Hind. These all are the Pacifics, and these all are the big hole on the earth in the earlier when the precipitation process is started. Then the these all the holes are filled by the water, and today we have to say that these are our continental, uh, these all are our seas. This is the process of the earth, and these all the process in the we can say the 4 crore 60 lakh year. These are the forms in which that the process is being developed. Okay, thank you. And today the assignment of the chapter is how many planets in the solar system, how many types of the planets on the behalf of their structures, inner and outer also inside that, what is the main effect of moon on earth, what was the main effect, and what is the moon origin point. And we have discussing about the Gained impact and the big splat, we can say in this question. Okay, thank you, have a nice day.